Hello and good morning. It's time for a news update right here on Wake Up Nigeria. My name is Titilayo Onyison. Thank you for joining us. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has terminated the terrorism and treason charges brought against the nationwide protesters by the Inspector General of Police, Justice Obiora Egwuatu, struck out the charges upon its withdrawal by the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, on behalf of the federal government. Celestina Iria reports.
Upon the President's directive, the Attorney General of the Federation, through the Director of Public Prosecution, approached the Federal High Court to exercise Section 174 of the Constitution to take over the case from the Inspector General of Police. President Bola Tinubu had on 14 November ordered the AGF to drop all charges against the nationwide protesters, majority of whom are believed to be minors. The Nigerian police had on 2nd November arraigned 76 minors on charges of terrorism and treason. At today's proceedings, the AGF requested for invocation of the same Section 174 of the Constitution to discontinue the trial of 119 accused persons. Following no objection to the request from various lawyers representing the accused persons, Justice Egwuatu granted the request and struck out the charges. Although the accused persons were not in court, the judge ordered their immediate release from the remand center.
It's a state offense. If the alleged offense has been established, it is a state high court of Kano State that will try this matter, not federal high court. It's a protest. I've never seen a protest has become a crime only in Nigeria.
Shortly after the court's ruling, the defendants arrived at the court premises. They were pleased with the discharge of the case against the earlier ruling of the court, which remanded them in Bolster Center and adjourned to January 2025. The protesters were handed over to their respective state governors by Vice President Kashim Shettima on behalf of President Tinubu. There are 76 protesters from Kano expected to depart Kano for Abuja today in a chartered flight paid by the Kano government. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.
And now outside Nigeria in the USA, voting has ended in the fiercely contested presidential election. Former President Donald Trump, flying the Republican flag, is seeking a return to the White House after an unsuccessful attempt in 2020. The Democratic Party candidate, Vice President Kamala Harris, in this election signifies the possibility of having the first female president in the USA. There will be more updates as the election results unfold. And that's all we can take on news and sports for this hour. There's still so much more coming your way on Wake Up Nigeria.